Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to execute formulas in Excel. How to execute formulas in Excel. So this is my ribbon and it is my Excel sheet. So select A1 and press 2 and A2 is 8. A2 is 8. So I want adding of A1 plus A2. How can you do it? Using formula. So first of all, you have to write is equal to A1 plus A2. So what you will get? 10. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So 10 will get. So this is how we can do addition operation in Excel. Addition operation in Excel. So now I want subtraction. Now I want subtraction. How can you do it? B1. So what is B1? So B1 is this. B1 is this. And I will subtract A1. 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 So A1 is this. So see these two are highlighting. So I am removing 2 from 10. So what will be the answer? 8 will be the answer. 8 will be the answer. 8 will be the answer. So if you want to do multiplication, how can you do it? So equal to A1 into B1 into C1. C1. So 2 into 10 into 8. So A1 is 2, B1 is 10, C1 is 8. So what would be the answer? 10 into 2, 20. So 28 is 160. 28 is 160. And you can do division also. You can do your division also. And how can you do it? So D2, sorry, D1 by C1. So I'm dividing 160 by 8. So what would be the answer? 20. 20 should be the answer. See, 20 is the answer. 20 is the answer. So this is how we can do addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division operations in Excel using formulas. So now I will give some data. So players, and here I will give balls, different types of balls, red balls, and green balls, and orange balls. So you have given 3 types of balls. What is red balls, green balls, and orange balls. So here I will having some players. The player name is Venki, Valu, and Achyut. So Venki has 5 red balls, 6 green balls, 7 orange balls, and Valu has 5 red balls, 1 green ball, and 7 orange balls. And I just have 10 red balls, 10 green balls, and 10 orange balls. So 10 orange balls. So if you want the overall count of balls of Venki, so what you have to do? Equal to B2 plus C2 plus and T2. So then you will get overall addition and you will get 18. So if you drag like this, So you will get overall count of Valu and Achyut also. You will get the overall count of Valu and Achyut also. So this is how we can do counting, do summation in Excel. And I want the average. I want the oral sum. So I will give sum here. So oral sum. How can you do it? Oral sum equal to equal to equal to E2 plus E3 plus E4. Then you will get, then you will get, then you will get 61. So I don't want like this. So why should I type all this thing? So you can do like this also. You can do like this also. E2 colon E2 colon E4. So which means you can do it by using E2 colon E4. Like if you have so many cells, so how can you do it? How can you write all these things? It will be lot of time taking process. It is like a lot of time taking process. You have to E2 plus E3 plus E4 plus, you have to write like this. But it is time taking process. So to avoid that process, we are implementing E2 column E4. Like we are giving the starting point and the ending point. Then we'll get the answer. And we'll get the answer. So what happened? So equal to E2 column E3 E4. Okay, equal to sum. We have to write sum. See, we got the sum. So what we have to write? See, as I told you in the previous class, I told you undo actions, right? So if you press Ctrl Z, you'll get the previous action. And if you want to go to the next option, like you have to press Ctrl Y. If you press Ctrl Z, you'll get the uh, like undo. And if you want to do redo, you have to press Ctrl Y. See, this is how it works. This is how we work. So what we have written equal to sum equal to sum. We are getting sum of E2 colon E4. E4. So this is how we get the, this is how we will get the out. This is how we will get the output. So for example, if I remove 5 and if I remove 6, see, it's updating, right? It is updating. It is updating. For example, if I give 10, if I come here, see, it is updating. So you can update Excel is in the Excel is updating itself, like what, like if you update any values in the Excel, it will automatically update. It will automatically update all the values and you will get the correct answer. And if I give 100 here, see what value you will get. See, it is automatically updating and I'm getting the 156 as the output. So this is the sum function. Sum function in like sum formula in Excel. Sum formula in Excel. Sum formula in Excel. So this is how we will do some basic formulas using in Excel. Like these are the some basic formulas we can use in Excel. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.